Newton Division patrol officers responded to a radio call for an assault with a deadly weapon domestic violence restraining order violation near the intersection of East 51st Street and South Central Avenue. The male suspect, who was married to the victim, approached the victim's recreational vehicle and attempted to set it on fire while the victim and their 2 minor children were inside. That suspect was later identified as Carlos Rangel.
Originally, he's my husband, but I feel that I'm in danger around him. I have a restraining order. He's surrounding the RV where I'm staying at right now, and I would like for somebody to come and take him away.
Okay, so you have a restraining order against this person?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
What is your address?
Currently staying on the fucking RV because he's a fucking crackhead bouncing on Central and, what is it, 50th?
Central and 50?
Yes.
Okay. What color is the RV?
It's a beige.
Beige?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your husband?
Yes.
Where is he right now?
He's outside.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's dark-skinned and Hispanic.
How old is he?
He's around 34, 33.
What's his name?
Carlos Rangel.
Carlos Rangel?
Yes.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
He's wearing all black.
What's his date of birth?
That's 1289.
And did he have any weapons that you see?
No.
What is your name? Okay, give me one moment.
Thank
Let
you.
me get officers going. Is he on foot or in a car?
He's on foot. He's just saying he's going to burn this thing down.
Okay, give me one moment. Let me talk to the officers, okay?
Thank you.
Newton Unit, AW domestic violence restraining order violation. Central and 50th. He's carrying a beige RV. Suspect on Hispanic, 34 years. Black clothing, threatening to burn the RV. School 3, incident 186, RD 1366.
Upon arrival, the officers observed Rangel standing at the rear of the recreational vehicle. Rangel immediately moved away from the RV and reached for an unknown object in his front waistband, which was covered by his shirt. The officers gave Rangel verbal commands to remove his hands from his waistband and get on the ground. However, he refused to comply. The officers requested the assistance of additional officers and a supervisor as they repeatedly made attempts to have Rangel move his hands from his waistband. Additional officers arrived and continued to de-escalate the situation and gain compliance with Rangel. During their repeated commands, the officers provided a verbal warning to Rangel that a 40mm less lethal launcher may be used against him. Rangel continued to reach for his waistband, which resulted in 2 officers deploying a total of 3 rounds from their 40mm less lethal launcher, which struck Rangel in his right thigh, torso, and left finger. Rangel fell to the ground, and as he did so, he dropped the object from his waistband, which was determined to be a black cordless drill. Officers approached and took Rangel into custody without further incident.
Additional AW domestic violence restraining order violation in Central and 50th. The suspect lit a wooden log and threw it in the RV earlier today. He also told the PR he put a gasoline tank underneath. PR sons are 16 and 14 inside the RV. Additional.
Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, bro. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Bro, let me see your hands. Get over here. Stop reaching for your waistband.
13-841, we're going to be cooked.
Stop reaching for your waistband.
13-41, Roger. 41 is going to back up for 415 man.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Any unit of the 13-841 is requesting a backup in the supervisor Central and 50th for
Put your
415
fucking
man.
hands up. Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, bro. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Bro, let me see your hands. Get over here. Stop reaching for your waistband. Stop reaching for your waistband.
41 is going to back up for 415 man.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, bro. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up.
Release my family.
Okay, bro. You gotta turn around. Let me see your hands.
Now release my family.
Waist down. If you want to send me.
Put your hands, bro.
Release my family.
Hey, you got a 40?
I got a 40 here. Hey, you're gonna need a fucking
Hey, reach for anything, bro. Just put your hands up.
Try it.
Just put your hands up.
You'll see what happens. Try it. This is the moment. You'll see hell, right?
Carlos,
You'll see hell.
Carlos, put your hands up, brother.
Hell. Release my family.
Carlos, put your hands up.
Release my family.
Carlos,
Release my family.
Carlos, just put your hands up and face away from me.
Nah. Release my family. Who's there?
How am I gonna release them if you're over there?
You motherfuckers know.
Hey, bro, this doesn't have to be a big deal. Let's just talk to you. Just put your hands up. We'll come talk to you, bro. We're not gonna go. Doesn't mean you're going to jail, bro. It doesn't mean you're going to jail. Just come talk to us.
No jail. No one.
Exactly. So just come here and let's talk to you.
No go to jail. No one.
Get your hands off of your waist!
We're in war. We die. Nobody goes
Carlos, put your hands up, bro. Put them on top of your head. Put them on top of your head, brother.
Listen, there's more officers coming. You're only making things worse. Put your fucking hands up now! Put your hands up now!
Put your hands up, bro.
Suspect holding his waistbound, no weapon seen. Units responding, respond westbound 51st from the
Brother, just put your hands on top of your head. We can't get to them if you're over there, man.
Listen, bro. You're gonna get a 40 and it will hurt or cause serious body injury.
Frequency, Center 51st Street.
Do it.
Just put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head, bro.
Get me. Get me, motherfucker.
Hey, we can't get to your family if you're over there.
I'm here.
We can't get to your family, bro. We can't get to your family if you're over there. Hey, Carlos, stop.
Stop!
Carlos.
He's gonna take out running. He's gonna take out
Advise your name, so it's gonna take out long.
Hey, bro, you're only making this thing worse.
Come on, bro. Hey, listen. We're just
Right here.
Carlos,
dude.
stop.
Just put your hands in the air, man. This doesn't have to be a bigger deal.
Look at all this shit.
You're making things worse! Put your hands up!
I have.
Put your hands
I
up!
made it worse.
Hey, watch that.
Watch, bro.
They have their.
Release my family.
Listen, put your hands up. We're here to help you out. Put your hands up.
Nah. You guys are here to help
We
me.
don't want to hurt you, and we don't want to get hurt. We said put your hands up and cooperate.
Let's stop really quick with
All of us will die here tonight. Tonight. We all die. We all fucking die.
Hey, do me a favor. Put your hands up.
Fuck you.
We don't want you to get hurt.
Fuck you.
Okay?
Trust
Now,
me.
go back
I die.
inside. Go
We
inside.
all fucking die.
Go inside.
I die. We
And
all
lock the
fucking
door.
die. I
Now,
die.
go
We all
inside.
die.
Pick up the phone from here.
You have to fucking listen.
Stop
I
it.
die. We all fucking die. And you guys know
Get another one.
There's one on the left side.
Come on this way. Bring the 40.
Hey, Patty, come over here. Come over here. Rotate to me. Rotate to me.
I don't know what you have on
Now, can we get him arrested? We have multiple.
I don't know. I don't want you to get hurt.
Come on, hey,
We are here to help you out.
Patty. So,
I need you to put your hands up.
is you 40? We ready to go again, right?
40 feet back, and it will hurt you.
And who's gonna go up if this guy goes down?
Because you're not complying.
We need two for arrested.
Go hands on?
Both of them hurt.
I got two left here. You're gonna be DCO, okay? Alright, and then Sergeant, you got calm?
For real, dog.
You guys will go hands on. Someone else for a taser if we have to. You'll be taser? Taser if we have to, right?
Approach from this side.
I already gave the Gardner warning, by the way.
Yeah, from here. They already did, right?
I already gave the Gardner warning.
I need you to take your hands away from your waistband.
Do
We
it.
don't know what you have underneath.
Because it looks like he's squeezing it like the butt or something, right?
Yep.
Hey, we want to hear your side of the story, but you need to cooperate with us.
So just give it a few.
I want to hear shit from y'all motherfuckers. You guys know what you fucking did.
Okay,
You guys know what you did to LA. To all the kids. You guys fucking know that.
Listen.
You see the one from the restraining order?
All the people that are
Okay,
Based on the comments, yes. We haven't been able to find because he was directly in the RV when we got here.
And he had the log that he was trying to set on fire. Based on the comments.
That's what you got to do.
These are all good, right? He looks like he's squeezing that. Looks like it's a gun, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna go 40. If he tries to get up or whatever, or pull it out, go 40 again. Your DCO, right?
Yep.
And taser. All right. Let him know we're gonna go 40.
Hey, 40, stand by.
When ready.
Ready? 40 out. Put your hands up.
Why you trying to hit me on my nose?
So go on.
Put your hands up. We're gonna get 40 again.
Fuck you.
40 out.
Hey!
Go again. You ready, guys? You ready?
Put your hands up.
We're losing sight over here.
I still got sight.
What is it? What is it?
Car up? Okay.
It's a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver.
Is it screwdriver?
Yeah, it's one of those.
Hey, where's the
It's
shield?
a drill. Okay.
Bring the shield up. Bring the shield up.
Hey, Sergeant.
It's a drill.
Use that car.
Put your hands up.
Bring it up. Bring it up a little bit.
When you use that car, we're going to take it up. Okay. We're going to use
Go ahead. Let's cover.
Ready?
Hold on. Stand by, guys. No, hold on. Hold on. Move the car up.
You're good. Hold on.
We can see both of his hands, all right?
Yeah.
Be ready if you have to 40 him again, all right? Okay, he's down. Move it up, and we'll use that as cover. Yep. And you guys, arrest team's gonna be ready, all right?
Who's arresting?
We got two for arresting, right?
Arrest team, you can move it. Let them move it up. Move it up. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's good because we saw him. He's holding his other hand, so look, both hands. Move it up. Move it up, guys. Let's go.
We're moving. Move up.
Move.
Just use the RV as cover for now. Give him commands. He'll get 40 again.
Get down on your stomach.
Get on your stomach, or you're gonna get 40 again.
Title stage,
Let me know.
Central 5-1.
Both hands in the air.
That looks like a drill. Yeah.
And we'll walk up with the shield. You're going to go hands on. Got him, Roberto?
All right.
All right, go up with the shield.
Let's go.
You see both of his hands. You got it.
Go. Moving. Don't move, or you're gonna get 40. Got it. I got it.
Yeah, we got it already.
We already got one.
Got it. I got it. Put your hands up and you get 40 again.
Fuck you.
40 out.
Hey!
Next 21, 13, 1, respond to 50%.
Forty.
Put your hands up.
40. Oh, he dropped something.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Rangel to a local hospital to be treated for an injury he sustained after being struck by the 40mm less lethal launcher rounds. While at the hospital, medical staff who treated Rangel for the injury determined that his injury would require hospitalization. After receiving treatment, Rangel was ultimately cleared for booking. He was arrested for attempted murder. Officers at scene determined that Rangel's shirt was covering a cordless drill. The cordless drill was recovered and booked as evidence. Officers also recovered the fire logs that Rangel used to start a fire and booked them as evidence. On July 8, 2024, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Rangel. 1 count of arson of an inhabited structure or property, 2 counts of criminal threats, 2 counts of violation of a court order. Carlos Rangel is a 34-year-old resident of Los Angeles.